Hello everyone, Vinaya Tembe here. Today I am taking English grammar. Topic is tenses. There are three main tenses in English grammar and they are present tense, past tense and future tense. Each one has four kinds. Today we are taking past tense. The four kinds of past tense are simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. In that, today I am taking past perfect continuous tense. That is the fourth kind of past tense. Let us start past perfect continuous tense. First example, I will read the example. At that time, he had been writing a novel for almost a year. At that time, sometime in the past, he had been writing. Had been writing is the verb. And based on that verb, we decide which tense is used in that sentence. He had been writing a novel. Now that time, he had been writing a novel for what time, for how much time? For almost a year. So for a long time, he had been writing that novel. So on the basis of this sentence, we can write the structure of past perfect continuous tense. And the structure is first comes had, then been, then the main verb. In this right is the main verb and to that main verb we add ing. This is the structure of past perfect continuous tense. What is the use? From this sentence we can tell that the use is anything, any action which begins in the past, which has started in the past, sometime back, at some time. And from that time, that action had been going on, had been continuing in the past for a longer period of time. Action which had already begun, and when we talk about that time, that action is in progress. Action is going on for a longer period of time. That time we use past perfect continuous tense. Action began in past. In the present when we are talking, that action had been in progress. Okay. This is the first use. Now let us read the second sentence. She had been waiting on the station for 2 hours when we reached there. She had been waiting on the station. For how much time? For 2 hours. And second part, the second clause is when we reached there. Okay. So in this first part, in the first clause, the verb is had been waiting. So it is past perfect continuous tense. Had plus been plus main verb plus ing. Wait is the main verb, ing is added to that. In the second part, when we reached there, that part is in simple past tense. Reached is the verb. Only reach is taken. Ed, that is past tense, is added. Past tense of the verb is taken. So it is simple past tense. Now what does this sentence indicate? That two actions are being told. One action is over. One action is completed. Which is the action which is completed? We reached there. We reached there on the station. Action is over there. So it is in simple past tense. But before that action, the other action was taking place before that for a longer period. Okay. Which is the second action which had been taking place, which had already started before the action which is over? This action. She had been waiting on the station for 2 hours. The action had started in the past before 2 hours. So action had already started, had been in progress for 2 hours. She was waiting there. So it had been in progress in the past. That time we use past perfect continuous tense. So for this part, it is past perfect continuous because the action was taking place before and is in progress now when we are talking about, but it is in past. Okay, and the second action when we reach there, which is over, is in simple past tense. When we want to make a sentence like that, when we want to talk about something like that, about two actions, then we use for one part simple past tense, and for the second part we use past perfect continuous tense. I think the structure, the uses and the examples of past perfect continuous tense are clear to you. I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you very much for watching this video today. Bye.